In the previous lecture, we already catch all the core assets inside the service worker. And what we are going to do now is when the app is offline, we have to get the corresponding content to our web. So what we have to do is to get the corresponding content during listening the fetch event. So this is the time that the app intercept the fetch event. So we have to do is e.respond with, and then catches dot match e.request dot then. So this is to see whether there is match with the fetch request. If there is a fetch request match with the catches here, then we will return the catch response. And there may not have the content inside our catch. So if there is the case, we have to let the app to continue to fetch the request. So now at here, when you look at the web page and click on the network tab, you already can see some of the file is from the service worker rather from the remote server. So we can try to click on the offline mode and then refresh. Now you can see the web still looks good rather than the internet connection error page exists here. And as you can see, there is error when fetching the UI.js. And now at here, you can see we forget to add the UI.js as the catch. So we have to add the JS and then UI.js. And now we have to turn on the network again and refresh. Now if you go to the applications and go to the catch, now you see the UI.js. So now we can turn off the network and press skip waiting. And then refresh again. Now when you click on the hamburger menu, you can see it still works